Welcome to the breathtaking serenity of Midway, Utah. This morning I captured the stunning sunrise over the iconic Tate Barn, with the majestic Mount Timpanogos and lush Soldier Hollow golf courses in the background. Midway is truly a place where you'd want to live or vacation. Currently, homes in Midway range from about $650,000 to over $4 million, with some exclusive properties exceeding $10 million. This variety makes it appealing to a broad range of buyers and investors. Midway offers an abundance of activities that I absolutely love, such as stand-up paddleboarding on the Deer Creek Reservoir, golfing at Soldier Hollow and Wasatch golf courses, world-class road cycling, mountain biking, hiking, and motorcycling on the scenic Cascade Springs Road. Experience the peace and tranquility and unique charm that Midway offers. Whether you're seeking a luxury vacation property or an exquisite new home, this area caters to diverse lifestyles and preferences. I'm John Breyer with Distinctive Properties Utah, here to help you find your perfect home in this beautiful valley. Please contact me, subscribe to the channel, and let's get you in this paradise of the Rocky Mountains.